Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create link for pictures in Google Drive. So just please follow my steps one by one. At the beginning we need to go to open the browser. Now whenever we open the browser we must go to our search engine Google. In here from Google we will search for Google Drive, and we will open this website of google.com/drive. So let's click on here to open the website, and now here we must click on go to Drive on this option. And once we directed here to the home of Google Drive, we see all the shared files over here. So for example, we'd like to get a link for this file, which is Spanish B2. So what we're going to do exactly, we'll go over here and click on these 3 points. And then as you can see here, we can go for share, and then we can click on copy link or even share easier. So we click on share over here. And from here, we can see the general access for this one, which is anyone with the link or restricted. So we click over here to choose anyone that we would like to. So in my case, I would choose copy link over here. And once I click on copy link, the link was copied and I have the link. So I can paste the link over here as you can see, and that's my link for the shared file. So that was all in today's video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.